Hey, sister, let me see if I can explain this formula to you a little bit better. Let me go with the quick median first. So quick median just finds the middle value. In this case, it's going to be the sixth point up or down, either from the bottom or the top. So because it's 11, you have to start at the bottom and count up 6, or start at the top and count down 6. Either way, you're going to end up in this bar right here. Okay, so that bar has a midpoint of 21%. That's why I put the quick median is 21%. I didn't bother deciding which one of these 5 it is. I just said it's one of the 21%. It treats all 5 of these as 21%. What the more precise median does is it says, wait a minute, there's 5 of them. They're everywhere from 11 to 30. Let's take that range of 19 and divide that 19 by 5 and spread out the median so that each of the data points, or not spread out the median, excuse me, spread out the data points so each one is kind of across that range. And the reason your more precise median is lower than that 21 is because 6 barely makes it into this range. It just barely trips over. So rather than calling it 21, which is the halfway point of this range, it pulls the number 13, which is closer to the bottom of the range. Similarly, just to make up some fictitious numbers, if you had more data points, let's suppose there were a couple more up here, say, I don't know, 2 and 3, and then now you got 16. Let's make it even more than that. Let's make it 6 up here. Now you got 19, which means you have to go up, let's see, 10. You have to get to the 10th point. So the 10th point, right, would be also in this bar. So the 10th point would still, quick median would call it 21, but the more precise, I'd have to go back here and change this formula, and I'm happy to change that formula for you if you want to make this dynamic. I made it a static calculation here. I'm happy to make it dynamic for you. But anyway, if it was the 10th point, you'd actually want to pick more towards the 30, because you had to go further into that bar to get the median. I hope that makes sense, Sarah. I think it makes a little bit more sense than what I was about to type. So let me know if it doesn't. We'll chat.